Welcome to our YouTube channel Agri Adda Success Point. Today I am discussing about JRF Horticulture Question Paper 2016 Part 2nd and Part 1st is uploaded on YouTube channel. Link given in I button. Let's start. Question number 61. Sporophytic self-incapability is found in. Right answer is a mango. Sporophytic self-incapability also found in cocoa and amla found sporophytic self-incapability. Next question. In 1948, which of the following term was coined by Thiemann? Right answer is a C. Phytohormone means plant hormones. 1968 में. Next question. Early grano variety of onion was introduced from. Right answer is B. USA. These variety are come from USA. Next question. Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi was laid out by. Right answer is A. Sir Edwin Lutyens. Next question. Chrysanthemum cutting flowering between temperature of 10 to 27 degrees Celsius are grouped in. Right answer is A. Thermozero means no if means flowering are 10 to 27 degrees between these temperatures, and thermopositive are which are flowering more than 15 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius between these temperature, and in thermonegative flowering occur below the 14 degrees Celsius temperature. Next question. Kaim mechanism is observed in plant having. Right option is C. Water stress. Next question. Which of the following is strictly subtropical fruit? Right answer is B. Locust is a strictly subtropical fruit. These are the only palm fruit which are evergreen nature, and all palm are deciduous in nature except locust. Remember this point. Next question. Bonneville is a variety of garden pea introduced from. Right answer is B. USA. Next question. In which of the following is Linnaeus system of classification published? Right answer is B. Genera Plantarum. This is a book name of Linnaeus. Next question. Cross pollinated species of genus Phaseolus. Right answer is B. Phaseolus coccinus. Next question. Tetrad is seen in. Right answer is B. Pachytene, and also crossing over also seen at Pachytene stage, also tetrad. Next question. Highest content of polyphenol is present in. Right answer is D. Blueberry rich in polyphenols. Next question. The anti-cancer properties in cruciferias is due to presence of. Right answer is A. Indole 3 carbonyl. Next question. The class of seed which must maintain relatively high moisture content in order to remain viable are known as. Right answer is C. Recalcitrant, and in case of orthodox seed which are able to dry below the 12% moisture content, and can store long period. Orthodox types of seed are store long period, and in case of recalcitrant seed are not able to store long times. Next question, technique of combining two or more major gene in known as, right option is B, gene pyramiding. Next question, the term climatic was first used by, right option is B, Kitts and Wades. Next question, seed control order was passed in the year, right answer is D, and in case of seed act as in rule in 1966, seed act and coming in 1966, and in case of National Seed Corporation are established in 1963. So remember these points also. Next question, color break disorder of spathe in common disorder of Anthurium. Anthurium is a edible part of, economic part of, is a spathe is a economic part. Spathe is a economic part of Anthurium. Next question, which of these compound is unable to undergo mutarotation? Right answer is A, glucose. Next question, which of the following pinching types in practice in carnation to get a single peak? Right answer is D, single pinch plus pull pinch. Next question, Xanthosoma is a tuber crop. Next question, bluing of rose petal is due to, right answer is A, accumulation of ammonia. Next question, sweet potato is a hexaploid, hexaploid, 19 chromosome number, basic chromosome number equal to 15. Next question, which of the following is not a common name of Gerbera? Right answer is D, French daisy is not a common name of Gerbera. Next question, which of following is a tropical fruit? Very common question. Is a first pineapple, all three are a temperate fruit. Synthetic variety of cabbage, right answer is B, Pusa Sambandh. Also Pusa Sambandh are suitable for high density planting. Next question, the critical gel length requirement for bulbing in garlic, right answer is B, 12 hours. Next question, which is not a cultivar of China aster? Right answer is D, Rakhi. Rakhi is the variety of chrysanthemum. Rakhi is a variety of chrysanthemum. So remember these things. Next question, which is the cultivar of bougainvillea? Right answer is D, Chitra. And Suhasini is the variety of tuberose. Single types. And Kamini is a variety of China aster, and Mohini is the variety of rose. Next question, in a bisexual flower, the phenomena when gynoecious mature earlier than androecium is called as, right answer is when gynoecious mature earlier means protogyny. Right answer is protogyny. In case of androecium are mature earlier, so is a protandry. In case of androecium earlier mature than gynoecium. Next question, andromonoecious sex form is generally found in. Next question, Andromonoecious sex form is generally found in, right answer is B, muskmelon. Generally found in andromonoecious means male plus perfect flower present on the same plant. So remember this point. Next question, which of the following mechanism exist in carrot? Right answer is a protandry. Next question, bulbophyllum is a important, right answer is this is the orchid, types of orchid, and also Cymbidium also the temperate types of orchid. Next question, the main site for dark reaction of photosynthesis, right answer is A, stroma, and in case of light reaction are present in grana, light reaction in grana and dark reaction in stroma. Next question, the refrigerant in commonly used in cold storage, right answer is ammonia. Ammonia in India generally use ammonia, and also use CFC, Freon, mostly used in case of India ammonia, but also this. Next question, Pusa srijan is a root stock of, right answer is B, guava. Bunchy top is in banana was first reported in, right answer is Fiji, but in case of introduced in from means from Sri Lanka. Bunchy top come from introduced from Sri Lanka, but reported first Fiji. Next question, pinching in carnation is normally done at which pair of leaves, right answer is B, 6 to 7. Next question, Pusa early bunching is a variety of, right answer is C, coriander, fenugreek. Next question, Kamrupa is the variety of, right answer is A, coconut. Next question, how many agroclimatic zones are there in India, right answer is B. This paper PDF available in link given in description. You can join our WhatsApp group and get PDF. Next question, in which Indian state rice is grow below sea level, right answer is D, right answer is D, Kerala. And potato are not growing in, potato is not growing in Kerala also. Next question, organic soil contain, right answer is first, more than 20% organic matter. Next question, the family of carnation is right answer is first, Chirophyllaceae. Next question, Pusa avino is a variety of, right answer is acid lime. Next question, time interval between irrigation is referred as, right answer is B, irrigation frequency. In case of when and how much to irrigate is irrigation scheduling. How and when is related to irrigation scheduling. Next question, Directorate of Floriculture is located at, Directorate of Floriculture located at, previous these are located at Pune, but currently located as New Delhi. In current located as New Delhi, but previous located at Pune. So remember this, not confuse them. Next question, which types of cucurbits are planted in polyhouse, Next question is a right answer is a C, Gynoecious and Parthenocarpi. Next question, the most favorable range of soil pH for tomato cultivation. Right answer is a C, 6 to 7. Next question, Pusa Tirsar is the variety of. Right answer is a grape. Next question, parent of Pusa lalima. Right answer is a D, Dasahari into sensation. Next question, Tagetes petula marigold belong to. Right answer is a C, French marigold. And these are the tetraploid in nature. Tetraploid in nature, 4x equal to 48 chromosome number, and in case of African marigold is a diploid, 24 chromosome number. So remember this point. Next question, this fruit cracking in citrus occur due to deficiency of. Right answer is a C, calcium. Next question, rose hips of which species contain very high vitamin C. Right answer is a B, Rosa canina is a rich source of vitamin C. Next question, bullhead is a physiological disorder of. Right answer is a rose, and in case of bullnose is a disorder of Norris's. So remember this, bullnose related to Norris's and bullhead related to rose. Next question, Amri is a indigenous variety of. Right answer is A, apple. Next question, Mimoscops hexandra is a rootstock of which crop? Right answer is a first, sapota. Next question, which of the following citrus varieties are triploid? Right answer is a Tahiti lime. These are the monoembryonic in nature. Next question, the famous hanging garden is situated at. Right answer is Pune. Next question, flower of which crop is a rich source of carotenoid? Right answer is first, marigold. Next question, phyllodes in China ester is caused by. Right answer is first, mycoplasma. Next question, tospovirus infect which crops? Right answer is first, tomato. Watermelon bud necrosis is caused by. Right answer is a virus. Next question, Mars spot in pea is due to deficiency of. Right answer is a D, manganese. Next question, modern dahlia have chromosome number 2n. Right answer is a 64. Next question, sauerkraut is a fermented product prepared from the leaves of. Right answer is A, cabbage. Next question, C4 vegetable is a. Right answer is D, amaranthus. Also globe artichoke. Globe artichoke. Next question, the fruit of dahlia is called. Right answer is D, achenes. Next question, the word auxin derived from. Right answer is Greek, which means of stimulate. Next question, the response of plant to relative day length of the day and night is called as. Right answer is B, photoperiodism. California advance is considered as the best pollinator of which of the following fruit crop? Right answer is C, locust. These are California advance is partially fertile in nature, especially pollinized variety is golden yellow variety, suitable for golden yellow and golden pale yellow variety. Next question, which fruit crop contain higher amount of naringin? Right answer is A, grapefruit. Next question, which of the following is a vector of citrus testigio virus in citrus? Right answer is B, citrus aphid, and citrus hyla is a vector of greening disease in citrus. Next question, basic chromosome number of mango, right answer is a C 20. 20 is a basic chromosome number in mango. Next question, in India apple was first introduced at, right answer is a C Kodaikanal, and some were given Ooty. Ooty is right when not present, not given option Kodaikanal. So, Ooty is correct, but here given Kodaikanal. So, Kodaikanal is a right answer. Next question, which of the following is the only male sterile variety of peach? So, all three are sterile variety, only Sahne Punjab is a not sterile variety. All three are sterile variety, Sahne Punjab are not sterile variety. Next question, modern cultivated strawberry is a octoploid. Next question, which of the following is a pome fruit? Right answer is a D locust. Next question, which papaya species is resistant to virus? Right answer is a B Carica cauliflora. Right answer is a B. Next question, which fruit does not follow the typical respiration pattern of either climatic or non-climatic? Right answer is a C kiwi fruit. Next question, which of the following is a black carrot variety? Right answer is a Pusa aceta. These are the tropical region variety, tropical group variety. Next question, the term golden revolution related to? Right answer is B horticulture, especially fruit production. Which of the following serve as a vector for the spread of little leaf disease in brinjal? Right answer is a leafhopper, B. Next question, intercropping of tomato with cabbage can reduce the damage done by? Right answer is first diamond moth bag. Next question, are liquored can are used for canning of? Right answer is first high acid food. Next question, bougainvillea variety having dark pink bracts color is? Right answer is a B double pink. Next question, National Research Center of Orchid is situated at? Pangkyong, Gangtok, Sikkim. Next question, for harvesting delicious apple at right maturity, the starch pattern index should be? Right answer is a C 4.5/10. Next question, chemically pectin is? Right answer is a C polysaccharide. Cassava belong to family? Right answer is a C Euphorbiaceae. Cross matching type questions. So, these are matching types are question. First, night blindness related to vitamin A, and beriberi related to vitamin B1, and sterility related to vitamin E, and plagra vitamin B6, and scurvy B7. Next question, Pusa Madhvi related to onion, and Pant Anupama related to French bean, and Hisar Lalit related to tomato. and Masalwadi related to chili, and VL6 pea. Next question. Match the following plant part consumed. Celery related to petiole, asparagus edible part is spear, and nolkhol stem, and rhubarb thick leaf stalk, and cinnamon bark. Next question. MCP related to preservative, Japanese garden situated at Bengaluru, and bouquet related to rose, balance, these are principal, and Mughal garden Pinjore. Next. Match the following inflorescence: banana spadix, pecan nut catkin, pomegranate hypothodium, onion umbel, and radish raceme. Next. Tree is a Jacaranda, and climber, catclaw, fern, Nephrolepsis, and pot plant, Rex Boggia, and cactus D. Marlina. Next. Dancy, tangerine, kesar, mango, pearl, grape, humlin, sweet orange, Pantprabhat, guava. Next. Granulation, citrus, fruit cracking, lychee, Janadar spot, apple, jelly seed, mango, watery berry, grape. Next. Apple scab, Vinichuria inaqualis, Anthraconus mango, Clostridium gladiosperide, heart rot, Phytophthora parasitica, and tip leaf spot of jackfruit first, and tip over Irvinia cotora. Next. Soha Sarkar is the root stock of citrus, turpentine, mango, Pusa surgeon, guava, and granula, plum, and 99 are grape. Thank you.